Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some shark bites at the pit, and it's real easy to do. If you've never had shark bites before, you definitely got to check this out.
Got some thresher shark right here. We're going to cube it up into small cubes. We're going to try doing some shark burnt ends. We got some honey, we got some smoked sea salt, we got Big Texan, and we got some bourbon. We got ourselves some butter. We're basically going to make ourselves burnt ends with shark. Ready to do this. Cut it all up into cubes. Shark has no bones, so there's nothing to worry about.
Jitterbug is our pitmaster today, and he snagged this thresher shark. It's about a 10-footer on a two-man boat. It was a good long struggle, but this is what you end up with.
Like so.
Now, thresher, like mako shark, is a firm shark. It is edible, unlike most sharks, right? It's absolutely delicious. Oh, man. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. It's Sharknado. Or is it Jaws? Or is it Jabberjaw? It don't make a diff. This is some good eating at the pit.
We'll use this as a cover. That's a good idea. Alright.
Now, if you don't have our smoked sea salt, you can substitute some coarse salt or maybe a little SPG, your choice.
Big Texan.
But here, of course, we have our Big Texan. You choose what flavorings you want, but Big Texan works good. Throw on some of that honey. Oh, this is going to be candy when it's done. Of course, you'll be able to head on over to our website to get the exact recipe. Right? We've got nearly 1,000. And we also have about 18,000 chapters in over 100 countries now. We've been doing this for almost 15 years. And we'd be proud if you joined us, right? Sign up a chapter. Now, the whiskey or the bourbon, you gotta have it, right? A shot, maybe two, and definitely save some for the pitmaster. Lord have mercy. Now, if you don't have shark, you could substitute your favorite firm whitefish, maybe some codfish, or maybe some salmon. Perfect for salmon. Now we'll just slow simmer. Get it all to come together. The butter, the sweet. Oh man, this won't take long to do. Put a cover on and just kick back a bit. Whoa, coming right along. Look at that. Looks good enough to eat already, but no, man. These here are Sharknado bites, Jaws bites. Call them what you want. Just take a look at that. Oh, man. It's good. In just about a half hour's time, these shark bites are done. Oh, doesn't take long. All right, so we're going to pair these bites up with, how about a tri-tip? That sounds good. A little bit of surf and turf. Oh, take a look at that. That's shark candy right there. It'll melt in your mouth. Oh, Now, you could serve them up the way you want, right? Direct out of the pan for finger dipping. Eat it alongside some good roast beef here. How about some dipping in that shark bite juice? Use your imagination. Oh, man. How about on some French bread? Take a few of those pieces. So this is the part where the pit masters are eating it in front of you and they're not apologizing. So to get the recipe, head on over to our website, and remember, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.